lovely student, welcome to Salon's Classes e-learning platform. Today I'm going to solve the question paper of class 7th. From one of my students I got this particular question paper. So I thought that I should discuss this question paper with you guys. Okay, this is the best way, okay, to skill up your speed. So first of all, pause the video, solve the question by yourself, then you can start the video, watch the complete video and check it out whether you are correct or not. Okay, so let's skill up and check it out. Okay, so let's continue with the question paper. The question paper, you guys can take a screenshot of this, okay, and you can take out the printout and you can solve it, okay, or you can pause the video, solve it first of all, then you can cross check it out, okay, by just watching the full video of mine. So question number 16 is saying express each of the following in standard form. Okay, it's from question number 1 to 15. It is an objective question, okay, and so I'm not solving those, okay. I'm just continuing with the question number 16. Express the following in the standard form means we have to just convert this into a standard form, okay, and you guys know to how to convert this into a standard form. Okay, it is written 8190000. Then what we have to do, we have to just place the point at the starting. So we have to put the point over here. So 8.190000. okay, I can write it down like this, or you can directly write it down 1.19, remove the zeros, multiplied by 10, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After how many numbers we have put the point? 7 numbers, so 10 to the power 7. And this is the answer. Okay, this is the answer for this question. Now, we have to find the values of t if the value of 3x square plus 5x plus 2t is equals to 8. Okay, x is given as -1. Okay, now let's find it out the value of t. So the question is 3x square plus 5x minus 2t, okay, is equals to 8. Okay, now x is equals to -1 means in place of x we will put -1. 3 minus 1 whole square plus 5 minus 1 minus 2t is equals to 8. Okay, now once we will open the square, okay, a minus will become plus. Okay, so 3 multiplied by 1 will become 3 plus. Okay, now plus minus, we have to put minus 5 ones are 5 minus 2t is equals to 8. It will become minus 2 minus 2t is equals to 8 minus 2t is equals to 8 plus 2 minus 2t is equals to 10. Now t is equals to, if I will move minus 2 to the right hand side, between minus 2 and t there is no sign, it means multiplication sign is here. Okay, if I will move to the right hand side, it will come in the denominator, means 10 upon minus 2. 2 5s are 10, so t is equals to -5. So we got the value of t, that is -5. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Over here in this figure, 2 semicircle is given. Find the area of a shaded part, means we have to find it out. Okay, the area of the shaded part. Okay, so this one we have to find out the area of this shaded part. So it is given over here, you can check it out, the diameter is given to us. Okay, and you know that if I will place the center point, because this is the center point, because both are equal 2 centimeter and 2 centimeter, it means radius is 2 centimeter of big, okay, big circle. For big circle, okay, radius is equals to, we can write it down, for big circle, radius is equals to, r is equals to 2. Okay, so now what we will do, we will put, okay, in the formula, and there is a semicircle, over here, so we will put the formula for the area of semicircle. Area of semicircle is equals to 1 upon 2 pi r square is equals to 1 upon 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by r, means 2 multiplied by 2, or you can say 2 to the power 2. So it will become 1 upon 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by 4. Okay, it will become 11, means 44 upon 7. Okay, now I will divide 44 by 7, 6 of 42, it will become 2. We will put place 0.0, 7 to 14. Okay, now it will become 6. Okay, so I will place 0 over here. Okay, and 7 8 56, 4. Okay, so I can leave it up, okay, because we got two values after the point. Okay, so I can write it down, area is equals to 6.28, or you can say 29. Okay, we can write it down like this. So area of a semicircle, okay, of big circle, we got this one. Okay, now we have to find it out the area of the small circle, because once we got the area of a small circle, we can subtract it from the big circle. Okay, area of the big circle. Okay, then we can easily find it out the shaded portion. Okay, so I will do it now. From here to here, it is 2 centimeter. Okay, so means it is a diameter. It is a diameter. Just be careful. Just by looking this diagram, okay, you can see that from here to here, this line is a diameter. Okay, so we have to find it out the radius first of all. Okay, so radius, as you know, radius is equals to diameter upon 2 is equals to 2 upon 2. It will become 1. Okay, so 1 centimeter is the radius of this small circle, small semicircle. Now, just by putting the formula 1 upon 2 multiplied by pi r square, we can write it on 1 upon 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by r, means 1 plus square will be 1 only. So I can 7, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. It will become 11 upon 7. We can subtract it. Okay, so 11, 7, 1 just 7. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11. We will got 4, sorry, 0.0. Okay, 7, 7, 3 ja, 7, 4 ja 28. That will got 28. No, 7, 5 ja 35. Yes, 7, 5 are 35. So I got 5. Again, I can place 0 over here. Okay, 7, 7 are 49. Okay, so I can write it down is equals to 1.75 or 1.7. Sorry, 1.57 or 1.58. So I can write it down 1.58. Okay, I can write it down like this. Now what we have to find it out, we have to find out the area of a shaded portion. Okay, so I can subtract this from this. Okay, then I will get the answer of the shaded portion, because I found the area of this. Okay, and we got the area of this big circle also. Okay, semicircle. So just by subtracting the area of bigger circle from the smaller circle, I got the answer. So 6.28. Okay, and 1.58. Okay, so we can write it down. Area of shaded portion, area of shaded part is equals to 6.29 minus 1.58. 1.58. Okay, I can subtract it over here. 6.29. Just a second. It's 6.29 minus 1.58. So it will become 1. Okay, 12, 5, 7. And it will become by 4.7. Okay, centimeter square. And this is the answer. This is the answer of this particular question. Okay, because over here exactly we are having 2 points. Okay, the radius is given and the diameter is given. Just okay, the diameter is given for the big circle as well and just a small circle as well. Okay, so I can just easily find it out each and everything. Now let's move to the next question. The sum of money lent out at 12% per annum simple interest, means simple interest has been charged from us. Okay, would produce 9,000, means simple interest SI is given to us, that is 9,000 rupees. Okay, in 2 years, means time we are having 2 years. Okay, and percent per annum means rate is also we are having 12% per annum. What sum of money lent out, means we have to find it out the principal. Okay, principal amount we have to find it out. So just to find out principal, what is the formula? P is equals to, sorry, simple interest is equals to SI is equals to P into T into R upon 100. Okay, we have to find out P, so I'll keep P over here and then move rest of the thing to the left hand side. So I can say P is equals to, okay, it will become SI into 100 upon P into R. That's by using this particular formula I can solve this particular question. Okay, so I will put the values now. 9,000, just a second, P is equals to 9,000 multiplied by 100 upon time is given 2 multiplied by rate is 12. Okay, so 2 ones are 2. Okay, and 2 50s are, okay, now 2 6 are 12. Okay, or we can subtract it from 3 also. 3 3s are 9, so it will become 3,000. 3 4s are 12. Okay, now 4 ones are 4. 2 we can subtract it from 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4 and 2 25. Okay, now 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, 0 0, means principal is equals to 1500 multiplied by 25. Okay, so 15 multiplied by 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 1 5 6 7, 2 5s are 10, 2 1 2 1 3, 37,500. So we got 37,500 rupees, and this is the principal, and this is the principal amount which I have borrowed, or which she has borrowed. Okay, so this is the answer. Now let's do the second part of this particular question. Okay, because we have to choose the one of them, whether we have to do this one or this one. Okay, so now let's do the next part of this particular question. The interest on rupees 12,000 for 1 month at the rate of 10% per annum is, okay, means we have to find it out. Simple interest. Okay, SI is equals to what? Okay, and rupees, it now means principal we are having, P is equals to 12,000. Okay, and time which is given to us is 1 month. Okay, and the rate of interest is 10% per annum. Okay, and the rate of interest is given in per annum. Okay, means yearly it is written. So we have to find it out. SI, so SI is equals to P into T into R upon 100. Okay, and P means 12,000 multiplied by time. 1 month is given. Okay, so we have to write it down 1 upon 12. Okay, multiplied by R is 10%, multiplied by 100, multiplied by divided by, means 1 upon 12. We have to divide it by 12, because we have to find out the interest is given annually. Okay, so we have to divide it by 12. Okay, 12 ones are 12, 12 ones are, okay, and we will get to 1,000. Okay, in this 1,000. Okay, and I can put this by this. Okay, and this 0 by this, so I will get is equals to 100 rupees. Okay, and this is the answer. So I can say that the simple interest SI is equals to 100 rupees. Okay, now let's move to the question number 10. The question number 10 is saying, if k plus 7 is equals to 10, okay, find the value of 9k minus 50. Means we have to find out the value of 9k minus 50. So first of all, what we can do, we can solve it and find the value of k. Okay, if once we got the value of k, we can put it the value of k in this, and we can find the value of this particular equation. Okay, so k plus 7 is equals to 10. So we can write it down, k is equals to 10 minus, k is equals to 10 minus 7. Okay, so k is equals to 3. We got the value of k. Now just by putting the value of k in this particular equation which is given to us, okay, we can find out the value of this. Okay, so 9k minus 50. So 9 multiply, because there is no sign, we can put the multiplication sign. Okay, multiplied by 3 minus 50, 3 9 27 minus 50. Okay, so once I will subtract it, 50 minus 27, okay, you will get 3 and 2, and the number which is having with a bigger value, okay, we will put that particular sign. So we got minus 23, and this is the answer, minus. Now let's do the question number 21. In a public library, the following observation were recorded by librarian in a particular week. Okay, means this is the data which is given to us. Okay, draw a double bar diagram. We have, means we have to make a double bar. Hello, let's do the next question. This is question number 21. In the public library, the following observations were recorded by the librarian in a particular week. Means in a particular week, all these types of data which is analyzed by the librarian. What we have to do, we have to draw a bar graph, double bar graph. Okay, means you have to make a double bar graph. Okay, closing in a, okay, appropriate scale. So we have to choose the appropriate scale first of all. Then you have to draw a bar graph. So over here we have to, just because the two data is given over here, that is newspaper and the magazine. Okay, so that's why we have to make a double bar graph. That's why we have to make a double bar graph. Okay, so let's draw a bar graph first of all. Let's take this line and this. Okay, so over here the days is given Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, so I will write it down days over here. That is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, now we the over here you can check it out. The difference means the scale we have to find it out, and there is a difference of 50 we are getting, because 50, 100, 150, 200. Okay, so like this I'm getting the values. Okay, so just make it, so I can make a diagram of 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Okay, like this, and in between 100 and 200, 150 is there. Over here 250, 350, 450, 550, and 600, like this. Okay, so now let's draw the bar graph. Newspaper on Monday 400, means from here I have to go towards 400 like this. Okay, I will draw it like this. Okay, and on Monday magazine is 150. Okay, so 150 means from here I will draw like this. Okay, so I will write it down, newspaper and P and magazine for M. Okay, now on Tuesday 600 and 100. 600 means we have to start from here, 600. Okay, and 100 means over here like this. Okay, now 350 and 200. 350. Let's take a ruler like this. Okay. And 350 from here. Yes, like this. 300. Okay. And 350 and 200. Okay. So 350. So I will draw it like this. 350 and 200. From here I will draw 200. Okay, like this. Okay, so I can make it like this. Okay, so you have to draw it by your scale, by using the scale and pencil. You have to draw it neatly. Okay, so and on Thursday 550 and 300. 550 means from here, and 300 over here. Okay, so now on Friday 500 and 250. Okay, so I will keep it like this. 500 and 250 like this. Okay, now on Saturday 350 and 200. 350 will be like this, and 200 will be like this. Okay, so like this. Okay, we have to this, we make this bar graph. Okay, so now let's move to the next question. What the question is saying: if 5 is added to twice a number. Question number 22. If 5 is added to twice a number, means if there is any number, if we twice that particular number, then add 5 in it, the result is 29. Means what we can take, let the number be x. Okay, that number is x. Okay, means if 5 is added to twice a number, okay, means 5 plus 2x, means we are doing twice of x and we add 5. Okay, so the result is 29, then it will become 29. Find the number. We have to find this particular number. So we can solve this equation just by moving 5 to the right hand side. 2x is equals to 29 minus 5. So 2x is equals to 24. X is equals to 24 upon 2. So x is equals to 12, means that number is 12. I hope you guys understood. The question is very easy. Okay, now let's solve the second part of this particular question. That is given that 3y minus 2 is equals to 2y minus 1 minus 3. Now let's check it out. Okay, let's solve this particular question. First of all, we have to multiply. Open the bracket. First of all, it will become 3y minus 3 to the 6 is equals to 2y minus 2. Okay, minus 3. Okay, it will be there. Okay, so minus minus plus, it will become 3y minus 6 is equals to 2y minus 5. Okay, now let's move the like values together. 3y, okay, minus 2y. Okay, it will be, once it will move to the left hand side, it will plus will become minus, because it is equals to is there, and it is equals to minus 5 plus 6. Okay, so it will become y is equals to 1. So we got the value of y, that is 1, and this is the answer. Okay, now let's do the question number 23. Using law of exponent, we have to simplify these question. 7 to the power 2 whole to the power 3 divided by 7 to the power 3. Now once we will open the bracket, the power will get multiplied. So 7, 3 to just 6 divided by 7 to power 3. Okay, once we will divide it, okay, so from 7 we can subtract 7, means 3. Okay, means 3 7 will be get deducted, means we will get 7 to the power 3. How it came, we can write it down: 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7, like this, multiplied by 7 6 times. 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7, so we can cut 7 from this 3, so we get 7 to the power 3, and this is the answer. Okay, now let's move to the b part of it. Okay, two to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power 0 plus 6 to the power 0. Okay, there is a rule: whenever the power is 0, okay, it will become 1. Okay, means if there is any number, okay, above it, power is given and that is 0. So, okay, so it will become, that number will become 1. So we will write it down 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1. It will become 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4, and this is the answer. Okay, questions are very easy. Okay, now let's do the third part. It is given. I'll just open the bracket, this one, okay, and I'm just doing it. 4 to the power 4, 3 are 12, means 2 to the power 12 multiplied by 2 to the power 8 divided by 2 to the power 12. Okay, so like this. So from 2 to the power 12, 2 to the power 12, we can cut directly, and 2 to the power 8 is the answer. Okay, now let's move to the next question, that's 24. Find the reciprocal of the following, means we have to solve this particular equation which is given to us and we have to find out the reciprocal. Okay, so 1 multiplied by 1 will become 1 upon 8 plus 6 upon 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 3 are 6. Okay, so it will become 1 upon 8 plus 3 upon 1. Okay, I can take the LCM, which will become 8. It will become 1 plus, okay, 1 8 is 8. We will divide from this, okay, 1. Okay, 8 3 is 24, then I will multiply. So it will become 25 upon 8. And we have to find it out. The reciprocal means it will become 8 upon 25. And this is the answer. Okay, the questions are very easy. The questions, okay, in this particular question paper are very easy. Now, B part, 3 divided by 13 divided by minus 4 upon 65. Okay, so 3 upon 13 multiplied by 65 upon minus 4. Okay, 13 5s are 65. Okay, so it will become 5 3 are 15 upon 4. Okay, so it will become minus 4 upon 15, and this is the answer. Now let's continue with the question number 25. Let's check it out what the question is saying. Study the graph given below and answer the following question, means we have to study this particular graph and answer these particular questions which are written over here. Okay, so over here in the graph, number of pass students and the fail students are given. Okay, the pass student has been highlighted with gray color, okay, and white are the fail students. Okay, and the number of students are given in thousands. Okay, and the cities are A, B, C, D, E, and F. Okay, now let's find out the question number 1. Find the total number of students failing in the entrance exam from all the cities together, means in all the cities together we have to find out the total number of students failed. Okay, so if we check it out, failed are mentioned in white. So in city A, 20 students are failed. Okay, so 20 student, city A is equals to 20, city B is equals to 35, city C is 30, city D is 40 students, city E, over here you can check it out, 20 students, and all over if you will check it out, city F, it is 30 student. Okay, then we have to find out the total number of students. Okay, so let's add up all these. Okay, so we will get 5, 3 to 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17, means 175, means given in thousands we can say 1,75,000 our students are failed. So the total number of students, like this we can write it down, 1,75,000 students are failed. Okay, so altogether how many students are failed? 1,75,000 students are failed. Okay, now let's move to the question number B. Find the ratio of the number of students passed. Number of students, we have to find out the ratio, okay, in the entrance examination of city B and those of pass in city E. So in city B, the passed students are city B, so 25 students. Okay, student passed in city B is equals to 25. We will write it down like this. Okay, or you can say 25,000 because it is given in thousands. Okay, and in city E is equals to, in E we will check it out, around 35 student, 35. Okay, so now we have to find out the ratio. Okay, so we can write it down 25,000 upon 35,000. Okay, we can cut 3 zeros by 3 zeros like this. We can write it down 25,000 upon 35,000. We can cut 3 zeros like this. Okay, or we can directly find it out, ratio is equals to 25 upon 35. 5 5s are 25 and 5 7s are 35. It will become 5:7. 5:7, and this is the ratio okay, of the city B and city E. Okay, now let's move to the third part of this particular question. Find the number of students passed in the examination from city A. First of all, let's check it out, how many students are passed in city A. Okay, so in city A, let's check it out, passed student is equals to 30. Okay, so students passed in city A is equals to, we can write it down 30 or we can write it down 30,000. Okay, both are equal, we can write it down 30,000, you can write it down like this. Okay, so now approximately city A is approximately what percent, means we have to find it out of what approximately what percent of the total number of students passed in the examination from all the cities together, means total number of students. First of all we have to find it out, and then we have to find out approximately how many percent, okay, of students are of city A. Okay, like this we have to do it. So let's check it out. First of all we have to find out, okay, in city A how many students has been passed, 30. So we will write it down, city A is equals to 30, city B is equals to 25, okay, city C is again 25, and city D again is 25, okay, and city E we can check it out, it's 35, and again city F we can check it out, again 25. Okay, so we can write it down like this. Okay, then we have to add all these because we have to find out the total number of students. Okay, so 25, 25, 25 and 25 will become 100. Okay, it will become 165, 165. We can write it on 165, or we can say total number of student passed altogether is equals to, means we can write it down, total number of students passed is equals to 1,65,000. We can write it down like this. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to find out the percentage. Okay, so we can write it down 30,000 upon, okay, 1,65,000 multiplied by 100. We can do it like this. We can cut 3 zeros like this, okay, and like this. Okay, now 3 tens are 30, 3 fives are 15, and 3 fives are 15. Okay, 5 2s are 10, and 5 1s are 5 1s are, it will become 200 upon 11. Now let's divide it. Okay, so 200 upon 11 means 1, it will become 11, it will become 9, and 0 8, it will become 88, again it will become 2 point, I can put 0 over here, 1, okay, and it will become 11 9, okay, then again 0, then 8, we can write it down 18.18. but over here you can check it out, in the question they have asked approximately. Okay, so we can write it down approximately 18%. Okay, approximately 18% of students are passed. Okay, so 18% of students are passed. Okay, because it has been asked in approximately, because you will not get the exact answer. Okay, so like this you have to solve this particular question. The question is very interesting. Okay, so now let's move to the next question. Let's move to the question number 26. One day I went to my colony park. I saw there are many peoples. Okay, all are busy in their routine. I found there are 150 peoples, means now we are having the total number of people. Total is equals to 150. I saw 18 people were doing jogging. Okay, number of people doing jogging is equals to 18. 24 people were doing yoga. Yoga is equals to 24. 36 people are doing laughing therapy. Okay, so therapy, I will write it down over here, is equals to 36 people. And the rest people were prefer to walk, and the remaining people are walking. So, okay, so let's find it out what the question are asking. Question number, what percent of people, okay, were doing jogging? Okay, so to find out the percentage, what we have to do, the number of people doing jogging is 18 upon total number of people, that is 150, multiplied by 100. We have to multiply by 100. From here we can cut 5 2 10, 5 3 15, and 3 6 18. Okay, so it will become 6 2 12%. 12% of people were doing jogging. Okay, now the number of people who are doing yoga. Okay, number of people who are doing yoga means how many people are doing yoga. Percentage you have to find it out. 24. So 24 upon 150 again multiplied by 100. 5 2 10, 5 3 15, 3 8 24, and 8 2 16 means 16% of people are doing yoga. Okay, so 12%, it is coming 16%. Now, how many people preferred walking? Means now we have to find it out that how many percent of people like to, or you can say choose to walk. Okay, so total number of people are 150. So first of all, we will add the number of people whosoever are doing the another activities. Then once I will subtract it from 150, I will get the answer. So 36 plus 24 will become 6 plus 30 plus 20 will become 50 means 60. Okay, 60 plus 18, it will become 78. Now 150 minus 78. Okay, so 150 minus 78, it will become 2 and it will become 7 means 72 people likes to walk. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Chalk contain calcium, carbon, and oxygen in the ratio of 10 is to 3 is to 12. Okay, find the total number of percentage of carbon in the chalk. Means first of all we have to find out the carbon. So okay, so the carbon content in the ratio is, okay, that is 3. Okay, so we can first of all add this. Okay, so we will get the total number of content. Okay, altogether means 10 plus 3 plus 12. Okay, it will become 25. Okay, so the total percentage of carbon, so carbon is equals to 3 upon 25 multiplied by 100. 4 4 3 are 12 means 12% carbon is there in the chalk. Okay, if in a stock if in a stick of chalk the amount of carbon is 3 grams means 3 grams of carbon is there, what is the weight of the chalk stick? So we have to find it out the weight of the chalk stick. First of all, what we can do, we can take, let the weight of the chalk is equals to x, or we can say bx. Okay, we take that the weight of a chalk is x. Okay, now carbon is 3 gram means it is given if the stick of carbon, the amount of carbon is 3 grams, the amount of carbon means 12% of x is equals to 3 grams. Okay, so we can solve this particular equation. 12 upon 100 multiplied by x is equals to 3. Okay, I will send this to the left hand side, so it will become x is equals to 3 multiplied by 100 upon 12. 3 1 3, 3 4 12, and 4 25. So we will get the value of x is equals to 25 grams. Okay, and this is the answer. Okay, and this is the weight of the given chalk. Okay, so we have completed this. Now let's move to the 28th question. The length of the door is 2 meter means L. Length means L we are having, that is 2 meter. Breadth is equals to 1 meter. P is equals to 1 meter, and it is fitted in a wall. Okay, means like this, there is a wall, door is there like this. Okay, the wall has the length of 4.5 meters and breadth is 3.6 meters. Okay, so wall length is equals to 4.5 meter. Okay, and breadth is equals to 3.6 meters. What is the cost required for whitewashing the wall with a rate of 20, okay, per meter square? Means we have for the per meter, what we have to pay, we have to pay 20 rupees. Okay, so first of all we will find out the area of wall and the area of door. Once we will subtract it, then we will get the specific, means the area of, okay, wall. Area is equals to L into B is equals to 2 into 1, it will become 2. Now wall area is equals to L into B is equals to 4.5 multiplied by 3.6. Okay, so we will multiply it. 45 multiplied by 36. 6 5s are 30. 6 4s are 24. 24 25. 26 27. 3 5s are 15. 3 4s are 12 and 13. It will become 0. It will become 2 6 1. 16.20. Okay, now what we have to find it out, first of all we will find the area of wall now. Okay, so area of wall is equals to 16.20 minus 2, so it will become 14.20. Okay, it square. Okay, this is the area of wall, 14.20 meter square. Okay, now rupees 20 per meter square. Okay, rupees 20 per meter square we have to pay, so we will multiply cost is equals to 14.20 multiplied by 20. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 2 4 are 8, 2 1 are 2. Okay, 0 0. Okay, so we will remove like this, so we will get 284 rupees we have to pay altogether. Now let's do this particular question. The question is very interesting. Okay, first of all, find the area of the enclosed figure, means we have to find out the figure area of these enclosed figure. Okay, if you will check it out, in this particular figure two things are given. There is a rectangle present and a semicircle is there. Okay, so first of all we have to find out the radius, okay, of a semicircle, then only we can find out the area of semicircle. And rectangle, the area of a rectangle is equals to L into B. Both L and B is given to us, so we can find out easily the area of a rectangle first of all. So let's do it. So area of rectangle is equals to L into B, so we can multiply 10.2 centimeter multiplied by 1.5 centimeter. Okay, you can easily multiply it. Okay, 10.2 multiplied by 1.5. okay, 5 to 10. Okay, 1 and 5 ones are 5. 1 to the 2, 0 and 1. Okay, so it will become 1 5, means after two numbers we have to put point, so we can write it down. 15.30 centimeter square is the area of a rectangle. Okay, over here we got the area of rectangle. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to find out the area of a semicircle first of all. So area of a semicircle is 1 upon 2 pi r square. Okay, so area of its semicircle is equals to 1 upon 2 pi r square. Okay, but you can check it out. First of all, we are not having the diameter of this particular nor the radius. Okay, so what we have to do, first of all we have to find out the diameter of this particular semicircle. Okay, so to find out the diameter, it is given that this portion, means this line, is of 10.2 centimeter. Okay, and this one, this particular line, is of 3.9 centimeter, and the remaining part is not given. If I will find out the remaining part, okay, of this particular length, so we got the radius because from here only the circle is made, so we got the diameter of this particular semicircle. So first of all we have to do it. Okay, so diameter is equals to 10.2 minus 3.9. okay, so let's do it. It will become 3 and it will become 6, means 6.3 is the diameter. 6.3 is the diameter of this particular semicircle. But to find out the area, what we have to do, we have to find out the radius. Okay, so to find out the radius, what we have to do, we have to divide it by 2. So radius is equals to 6.3 divided by 2. Okay, so it will become 3.15. okay, so once you will divide it, you will get 3.15. okay, so now this is the radius of this particular semicircle. Okay, I hope you guys understood that how we have done it, because we are not having the diameter nor the radius. So first of all we find out the diameter of this particular, okay, semicircle, then we have just divided it by 2 to find the radius of this particular semicircle. We got the semicircle 3.15. so now we have to put in this particular formula. So 1 upon 2 pi r square is equals to 1 upon 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by 3.15 multiplied by 3.15. okay, like this we can put. Okay, if we want, we can remove the points. Okay, so, or you can do it like this only. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Okay, so we will get 11 multiplied by 3.15 multiplied by 3.15 upon 7. Okay, so we will get this. Okay, if I will multiply 3.15 multiplied by 3.15, let's check it out what it is coming. 5 5s are 25, 5 under 5 6 7, 5 3s are 15. Okay, 1 5s are 5, 1 1s are 1, and 1 3s are 3. Again we have to put 3 5s are 15. Okay, sorry, 3 5s are 15, and 3 1s are 3, and it will become 4, and 3 3s are 9. So it will become 5. 7 plus 5 will become 12. 10 11 12. 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 9. Okay, so after 1 2 3 4 4 points, we have to put the point 1 2 3 4 means over here. So it will become, we can write it down, 11 multiplied by 9.92. Okay, 9.9225 upon 7. Okay, now we can multiply it. 9.9225 multiplied by 11, we can do it. So we can write it down 99225, again 52299. Okay, so 5 7 4 11, 9 plus 9 will become 18, 19 and 10 after 1234.1234. Okay, so it will become 109.14, okay, upon 7. Okay, now what we can do, we can divide it. Okay, you have to divide it to find out the area. So 109.14 we will divide it by 7. 7 1 7 will become, okay, 3 and 9. 7 5 are 35. 4. Okay, now we will put point over here, we will put 1. 7 7s are 7 6 are 6 7s are 42, and 6 7 are 42. It will become 7 5s are only 35. So it will become 5 plus 1 6, and it will become 4. Okay, and 7 7 are 49, 7 8 are 56, 8. So we can take it 15.58. Okay, it will continue like this. So we know now 15.58 centimeter square is the area of semicircle. Okay, now what we have to find out, we have to find out the total area of the enclosed figure. Okay, so we can add the total area is equals to, now we will add total area is equals to 15.30 plus 15.58. 15.58. So it will become 8 8 0 and 3. Okay, so it will become 30.88 centimeter square is the answer of this particular question. Okay, I hope you guys understood that how we have done it. Okay, the question is a little bit lengthy because you have to put the formulas, okay, in this, because in the semicircle, okay, nothing is given to us, so we have to find out each and everything. Okay, so now let's move to the next question. Now let's start the question number 29, and this is the last question of this particular question paper. Okay, we have to evaluate the figures. Okay, the expression is very easy. The expression which is given, that is 7 to the power 8 multiplied by a to the power 10 and b to the power 7 and c to the power 12 upon 7 to the power 6 multiplied by a to the power 8, b to the power 4 and c to the power 12. Okay, so you can check it out over here. We can means all these variables which are given over here, we can see 7 to the power 6 means 7 is written 6 times. Over here 7 is written 8 times, so we can cut this. Okay, and we get 7 to the power 2. Okay, means 2 times 7 will be remain. Okay, over here a to the power 8 means a to the power 10 means a to the power 2 again is here. Now b 4 5 6 7 means b to the power 3 is there, and c to the power 12 and c to the power 12 will be evaluated completely. So we got 7 to the power 2 multiplied by a to the power 2, b to the power 3. Okay, and we can say, we can open it, 7 7 49, 49 a square b cube, and this is the answer. Okay, I hope you guys understood how we have done it. Okay, just by doing this particular question papers, okay, you can just skill up your knowledge. Okay, and so have a wonderful day ahead. Okay, next all the lectures and the videos are already there in the playlist. You guys can go and check it out. Okay, have a great day. Bye bye, take care.